2026 Buick Riviera marks the return of one of Buick's most storied nameplates, reimagined for the modern era with a blend of futuristic styling, advanced technology, and luxurious grand touring character. Instead of relying on nostalgia alone, Buick reshapes the Riviera into an electric performance coupe that honors its heritage while fully embracing the future. The design is sleek, long, and dramatically sculpted with a low stance, sharp LED lighting signatures, and smooth aerodynamic lines that give it an elegant yet aggressive personality. It captures the spirit of the classic Riviera's bold presence, but interprets it through a modern EV lens. Built on GM Ultium electric platform, the new Riviera delivers strong performance through a dual-motor, all-wheel drive setup. Instant torque gives the car quick, effortless acceleration, while the battery pack offers a long driving range suitable for highway cruising and road trips. Fast charging capability ensures minimal downtime during long-distance travel, making the Riviera not just stylish but genuinely practical in the EV age. Buick aims for a driving experience that feels smooth, refined, and quiet, with enough power to satisfy enthusiasts without compromising comfort. Inside, the Riviera showcases Buick's most upscale interior to date. A sweeping digital dashboard, premium materials, and ambient lighting create a modern luxury environment. The seats are designed for comfort on long journeys, offering supportive bolstering, heating, cooling, and massage functions. Technology takes center stage with a large curved OLED display, advanced navigation, wireless connectivity, and a premium audio system that fills the cabin with rich sound. Latest driver assistance systems enhance safety and convenience, offering semi-autonomous features for highway driving and smart sensors for urban environments. The 2026 Riviera also emphasizes a refined grand touring feel rather than raw performance. The suspension system is tuned for a smooth, composed ride, absorbing bumps and keeping the car stable at high speeds. Cabin insulation and EV quietness work together to create a serene driving atmosphere. Although the coupe design limits rear seat space, the focus remains on delivering a premium experience for the driver and front passenger. The combination of luxury, electric performance, and classic Riviera DNA positions this model as a flagship statement for Buick. Overall, the 2026 Buick Riviera stands out as a modern luxury EV coupe that brings back a legendary name with purpose. It blends style, innovation, and performance into a package that appeals to drivers who want sophistication and future-ready technology wrapped in a striking, emotionally appealing design.